This is Bushra Hage, and MOOCs is the topic I'm choosing for my final presentation, and this is the first draft. So, MOOC stands for Massively Open Online Course. Basically, what that means is students are enrolled in a distance learning course that is run online, and many universities worldwide provide this. Okay, so basically what happens usually in these courses is a lot of knowledge is given in the format that not really assignments, but basically students engage with the material. And the material oftentimes not found in one central location like a traditional classroom, but students would be referred to clusters on the web to kind of pursue that and collect the information they need. And basically it can be used in one of two ways, sometimes as a standalone study, and basically for individuals interested in a certain topic. I know I shouldn't do this now, but it's too small, just noticed. Okay, so basically a standalone for people who are interested in a certain topic. You want to learn about how to I forgot what they're called, but cars that auto drive, how those work, or you're curious about a certain topic, how are hoverboards created? You could learn that. And sometimes it's not necessarily something out of this world, but you're interested in a certain matter. Maybe it's not related to your field. Or sometimes it's used as consolidation study. So basically, you use it to consolidate, like you're learning something in another university or you have a degree in something, but you just want to kind of sharpen the saw or get some additional information to supplement that. The pros, some of them are like, first of all, they're almost all completely free. We probably need to mention, and I'll put that in the final thing, that a lot of them provide like a certificate that you participated, which is paid, but basically the knowledge itself is free. It's very flexible because you can choose the time of the day that you want to work. I mean, yes, sometimes there are time limits. You have to see this before so-and-so date to open the next module, but it's flexible. It's not like you have to drive to college exactly at 11. If you're there 11:05, you're late. So it's a lot more flexible, especially with mothers of little kids or people whose schedule is tight. It brings people around the world, which is nice because it's kind of enhances the global village concept. Also, it promotes network relations. Sometimes you meet people, you know people through these connections that happen during the lesson, and that might lead to business together, or sometimes like some kind of connection for more study. And cons, some of them are you cannot gain, credits. A lot of times if you studied in one college and you go to university, they could count the hours for you, but in this case, no. They're often simplified, the courses, compared to a full-blown class. And this lack of interaction with professor is a little bit uncomfortable because you like to see the teacher, ask them, show them something, they walk around the room and notice you're struggling and they help. And we notice there is a very high rate of participant dropouts, partly because of this, and that it's so easy to go there anytime, so there's not much of an incentive sometimes. And here are some of the references that I have used. All right, I hope this was helpful.